Hello and welcome to Vann and Associates Coaching, Counseling, and Consulting. In addition to media commentating, conferences, speaking events, training events, located here in Lewisville, Texas, but serving all of the North Texas community. Now, please come inside to where we're running our trauma-informed yoga groups for a variety of populations. We have one for women, first responders, veterans, adding one for teenagers. And the groups are limited to 5 participants because we don't want anyone to feel overwhelmed, and especially in regards to that kind of specific group. Now, you'll notice that throughout our little tour that there's a beach theme here, and that's because we want this to be a relaxed environment. We understand that seeking out coaching or counseling services can be a little bit intimidating and maybe even anxiety-provoking, so we want you to feel comfortable here, at peace. So as we continue to move on, we'll pass by our very spacious bathroom, and you can see that even in the bathroom, we continue the beach theme with our surfboard and with our different wall hangings too. And it's all about, we want you to feel welcomed and we want you to start to feel peace. Now at Vann and Associates, we do offer affordable counseling options, and that's why we do have an LPC intern that is here whose rates are usually pretty similar to what co-pays are. But we also have 4 fully licensed counselors for LPCs in the state of Texas on a variety of insurance panels, and we work with many different types of mental health related issues. Now we'll take a quick little peek in my office where there's always something going on, whether it's working on an upcoming training event for a business, a school district, a professional group, or it's doing an interview for one of the media outlets that I've worked with on an international or national level. And you'll see the picture with my Dr. Phil interview that occurred in November, and also a recent article of mine that was published in a magazine. So I can help you with any of the coaching areas, whether that's helping your mental health practice grow, thrive, understand marketing, whether it's coaching in issues that relate to personal and professional life, and also, of course, do the counseling side too. We are here to help you at Vann and Associates, and we want you to reach your utmost potential. We are here to serve. So if we can be of any assistance, please reach out to us at lorivann.com, LORIVANN.com, or you can also go to lorivancounseling.com. If you're interested in one of the upcoming training events I'm doing, different speaking services that I provide on a national and international level, you can also find that information there, in addition to the 5 books that I've written. I look forward to working with you. My staff looks forward to working with you. So check us out, lorivann.com, and go be awesome.